times nag-change, our learners change, the need of our learners change. The yung mga, for example, sa panahon namin, hindi kami masyado adapt sa technology kasi hindi namin yung kailangan. Pag sa panahon ninyo ngayon, kailangan very important na sa technology. So our curriculum has to change also. Hindi rin pwede na si curriculum mapag-ibanan because dapat si curriculum magbigay na kay learner yung mga kailangan, like for example, the 21st century skills. Kailangan mo magaling sa media and communication. Kailangan mo magaling sa technology. Kailangan mo magaling magpag-usap. Kailangan magaling ka, or kailangan pagkatapos mo mag-aaral, you will become independent. Lahat yun nandun sa curriculum natin. Lahat yun kailangan nang ibigay sa inyo. So, nag-change ang panahon. So, we also have to change the way we teach what we give to our learners. That's why we have to enhance our curriculum as much as possible. And what was your second question again? Is it a problem? I think it's a solution because of the changing, because times change.